married. Me. And guess who's doing my makeup? Nika, my favorite girl. Nika, last time we did a video, it was all about like an Easter look. It was very bright and vibrant. But this time around, we're doing a makeup look for, you know, like a bridal look. And it's gonna be really nice. So generally, my style is very, very simple. I don't like anything too busy, too dramatic. I like simple. So what are you gonna do for me? What are you cooking up for me today, my baby?
So we'll be going to use all Milani products, of course.
Yes.
And we're gonna spice it up. We're gonna give you a look with some eye candy glitter.
Yeah.
To give you like subtle, still a little sparkle here and there.
Because it's gonna be a memorable day, you know?
Of course.
So you don't wanna look too basic.
Use the dark brown in the Milani brow pomade.
Yes. Okay.
So now we're gonna go to the eyes to give you that nice, subtle, but yet extravagant look.
Okay,
right? Perfect.
So let's get down to business.
Let's get you beautified.
I'm beautiful already. Take your time. So what colors do you think we're gonna go for?
We're going for a very like subtle, but with the glitter, like a subtle but with the glitter. So we're going for maybe like this one. We're using like a champagne color. We want to keep it like nice and clean. We're using a soft flesh tone color, just to give dimension to your eyes. Not really too much, and we're using like sweeping lotions.
What was your bridal look like?
It was very like, I think it was, back then extra was a lot. So I had like a cut crease.
Oh, nice.
And then the gloss.
What's it like doing makeup for a bride? Because it's such a stressful day.
It's an amazing experience. It's just like, you just want to make sure that they're comfortable with everything they want.
Because those pictures last a lifetime, you know?
Exactly, they do. Our bridal look, we're going to top it off with some eye candy glitter along with an adhesive, the liquid sugar that is perfect to prime your glitter and it wouldn't have any fallout or residue.
Okay, perfect. And why I love this glitter is because I think it adds just the right amount of shimmer. It's not too much.
It's not too much for the look that we're going for.
Exactly.
Classic bride.
But I mean, if you want that dramatic look, you can add as much as you want. But you're just adding just a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So now we're going to prime her face with the Milani Prime Light. It's going to give her a sheer glow on her foundation, and it's going to help the foundation to last throughout the day for her big day. So now we're going to go in with the Milani 2-in-1 foundation to give her skin that even and perfect finish.